For a very long time, people have accused genes of victimizing them by controlling their behavior, emotions, and their biology.
So today, a court session will be holding
in the state versus genes class action. The public expectation and opinion is that genes be found guilty and convicted. So now let's move to the courtroom. Is DNA the molecule that controls human life, that shapes and determines their future?
No.
Are human beings an expression or consequence of their genes?
No.
Mr. Genes, do you control who people are, their behavior, their emotions, their biology?
No.
Is it true that human beings cannot influence their DNA?
You said it.
Please answer the question.
No, it's not true.
Who then are you, Mr. Genes?
I am a physical blueprint to make a protein.
So, what is a protein?
Proteins are primary particle of life. They are the building blocks that create the body. They have a physical structure, and protein molecules can change their shape. They do this in response to a signal from the environment, which causes them to move. And it is this movement that is used to do work.
Are you saying that life comes from proteins responding to environmental signals?
Yes.
So are you saying that you are not responsible for aggressiveness, anxiety, obesity, optimism, addiction, cancer, and other diseases found in human beings?
No.
So if you are not, then who is?
Epigenetics.
Epigenetics.
So there you have it. The verdict has been passed and genes have been proven not to be guilty. The new culprit is epigenetics. Who then is this epigenetics? Epigenetics is a field of science of how signals affect gene activity and heredity. It is the control of life above genes, which is, in this case, is the environment. Epigenetics control which genes will be read and how they are read. If you put genetically identical multipotent stem cells in different culture media, the different culture media will produce different organ cells because of the environment they're in. And this is because the environment is providing the information for selecting the gene activity. The environmental signal is picked up by the cell membrane and relayed into the cell, whose signals affect the protein's behavior and actions. So, signal plus protein is equal to action. Epigenetics is the study of how environmental signals affect proteins and the DNA in the chromosomes in two ways. Number one, environmental signals affect the DNA through methylation, and methylation is what determines if the DNA should be copied or not. Methylation selects the gene to be activated. Number two, environmental signal affects the protein through regulation, that is, the readout of genes. Nature selects which genes from either parent chromosomes to be expressed depending on your environment. So anyone can turn the dials on their genes by changing their environments. Nobody is a victim of their genes. If you can change your environment, then you can change your biology and your behavior. My name is Abiah Abraham.